Previously on Back Road Bidder.
So 2 small towns, the 2 smallest towns closest to us are having village-wide. Let's do this. You're the biggest sucker I know.
Clearly, I married you.
Ouch.
Yeah, we could visit everybody in town and still be home by lunch.
And now the conclusion.
It's too much. Too much, Marcy. Oh. Weezer on cassette.
Oh my gosh, you don't see those anymore.
No.
Of the thermometer?
No, they just feel like How you doing today?
Good, how are you?
Oh, I'm still going. It's kind of slow, but this guy looks like he just come from Hawaii.
Heater feels like it's working.
Yeah, that's
See the wrenches, Mars? Can't believe you walked right past them. You don't do wrenches.
Okay.
Flowers. Flowers.
You say hi.
Over there.
What's that machine?
How are you?
Camera.
Oh.
Good? cute.
Chicken. I think we have to change our furnace filter.
Oh, yeah. Is that not working?
The Sega, we can't test it. It's missing one wire,
Oh.
one connection, and our grandson's too busy to test it for us.
That sounds like us. Except that would be our son.
Well, the kid works, I don't know how many hours a week. So
Oh.
he truly is too.
That's a Sega, you said?
It is.
Cool.
Are you interested?
I don't know.
Oh.
Are you?
No, I know Charlie would be, but
I know you would be.
yeah.
Rick said it's just one connection that we're missing.
I don't know if I have one either. Does this work pretty good?
Yeah.
Do you know how I have?
Somehow I have 5 postal scales.
Oh, nice. Are you gonna get that?
Yeah. I was just seeing if there's anything else.
Oh.
Gun cleaning kit. Might be tough this afternoon.
The rest of the day I'm good.
Yeah.
Oh, I suppose, yeah.
It is brutal out here.
No, I mean as far as Jesus. Better.
But then you get it and you use it like one time.
I know,
It takes up
it's
so
just-
much space.
That's
that-
just it.
So it's like I see people asking for $10 for a new wave oven.
A sale's a sale.
Christmas stuff the last 2 days.
Really?
Yeah.
Ah,
Christmas houses and Christmas village little pieces and
Yeah, I got some of that stuff sitting there that I had Charlie. I picked up some Lemex, I think it was.
yeah.
And they're the little figurines, but they light up and stuff because you have to put batteries in them. I'm like, here, test these. I'm like, you can sit and watch YouTube as you're testing all this stuff for me. And he's like, yep, they all work. There's some really cute ones in there too.
And they
Really?
sell all year round. I sell Christmas stuff.
yeah.
Really good.
It's kind of funky that you're
We got bubble wrap, Mars.
So where did these come
Oh no.
from? Hello.
Hello.
Warm enough for you?
Yeah, plenty warm.
I was gonna have a question and you didn't think it was.
I was trying to think of something smart to say, but those are cool. Oh, those are neat too.
Never seen one this big.
No. It's a lot of goo gone.
Yeah, it is. These are like those ones I just bought.
Oh yeah. Disney ones, huh? Cute. That's a cool one. little shippers. There we go. Those are really pretty.
As is, yeah. Not a clue. Where was it? Was it in the dollar box?
It was right over.
Yeah, anything along that wall was a dollar.
Well, it's worth $1 is.
There you go. If it works, yeah. Yeah. So we got 15
Tweedlebug from Sesame Street.
Yeah. That's one that you never see.
No.
And it's hard to beat, isn't it? It is. Yeah, it is. Oh, yeah. You don't have to wait for it to settle out. Yeah. I understand. Three and four. All right.
See any pins you like?
Yeah, but this one's missing. It's missing.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
What?
It's windy.
It feels good.
So Rick and Kathy did not charge us for that scale, which was very kind of them.
Very nice.
Livingston wasn't as successful as Cobb, but we'll show you what we got. Well, what I got in Livingston, the scale that we got free from the Wisco resellers. They were just very kind. I think they have a $3 tag on there, maybe $5. I couldn't see it very good. But I went to check out and they said just take it. So that was very nice. Thank you, Kathy and Rick. Marcy found these Starbucks cups that are very nice. Pretty. Paid up a little for those. I think $5 a piece or $6. Bag of matches for $1. This was $1. I know it's the Vikings, but it's a good hat. Playmobil toy. This is actually 2 lots put together. They were 50 cents each, so this is $1 of Playmobil. Dissection kit. I paid $2 for. I really don't know what it's worth. I think it's cool though. It's like got a blade, a ruler, scissors, a couple different probes. Hamilton Bell Company. We'll see. And then the guy that owns the local antique store always has a garage sale. And he clearances some stuff from his store over there. But he also sells bubble wrap cheap. So we got this big bag of bubble wrap. So Marcy found this vintage Illinois sweatshirt. Sophie. It's very thick. Nice sweatshirt. Cranberry covered tea light. That's the top to it. Or fairy lamp tea light. Bag of brooches. That way certain people can quit harassing my wife and selling her stuff. She found her own source. Oh, these are cute. So adorable. Little crab. fishies, all kinds of sea stuff. Those were $1 a piece. She got these 2 Christmas crocheted things. One was $1 and the other was 75 cents. And she found a nice Lands' End sweater. Not as productive as Cobb, but still did pretty well. So keep on flossing. Have a good weekend, and watch the auction on Nady Pie's channel on Wednesday evenings. See you later. After we cool off.
I don't want your glasses flying off.
Oh, I don't either. Are you effing kidding me? I don't think I recorded any of that.